Today we will be unboxing the Barbie Club Chelsea camper from Mattel. Let's get started. This is something Piper's asked for, so we picked it up off of Amazon. So it has Chelsea and a little convertible, kind of looks like a Mini Cooper. And let's see, she has some s'mores. It looks like a little suitcase, a puppy dog, and a guitar. Even has a doggy door for her little doggy. The camper opens up and sets up like a little dollhouse. If I turn the box over, I notice that there's some extra stuff there. It looks like it has a little campfire, a little stool. Looks like you can put stickers wherever you want and decorate the RV the way you want. And it looks like it comes with a little towel. Oh, the trunk on the car opens for your suitcase. A cute little set. So Piper is a lot like me, loves RVs. She already has plenty of RV toys. This is her bluey camper with car. I don't know where the figures are. She has them, I think, in her other dollhouse. Barbie Dream Motorhome, which expands and opens up with a pool. Piper is totally in love with this. And it is basically a replica of her new Power Wheels. Yeah? You got your RV?
Look at your hat.
Well, once you start driving it, it won't be. Well, you got to steer too, Piper. And she also has a Playmobil Class C motorhome with an actual campground, which isn't set up right now. Anyway, she loves her RV toys, and she has a lot more that she still wants. I've never done a toy unboxing, but anyway. But with the Barbie Chelsea camper, that's a good size to take to the RV. Won't take up a lot of space. And she also has her Fisher-Price Class C motorhome, which opens up into a play area. But that's actually in the RV. And she also has a couple Class C toys, and I don't know where they are. But anyway, I'm going to put some links below if you're interested in any of these toys. Amazon sells them. Right now this Barbie Chelsea camper set is on sale. Before Christmas it was over $40. Now it's down to $26. And I can put some links to some of the other toys too if you have somebody that has a birthday coming up and they love RVs. Well, there you go. So, alright, until next time, happy trails.